Hello and welcome. It's Robyn and this is my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I don't know how you got here, but I'm glad you did. So please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video. And I'd appreciate a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning, thank you as always for being loyal to my channel. So I haven't unboxed this box for like ever. It is my pink box. I don't even know if I canceled it. I just had this box hanging around. So it was time I opened it. Happy New Year to you and your family. As the year ends, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude for your loyalty to Pink Box Delivery. We wouldn't be here without you. So it tells you everything that's in here. This is kind of a lifestyle box. It's got really fun stuff in it. And it's got my poppers. So let's get into it. Do you guys still have snow? Keeping the kids busy? The first thing in here is, it looks like masks. It's like a goodie bag, but it could be masks. It is Deep Conditioner Shine and Nourish, and it's in French. Must be a hair mask. Wine extract mode from grape skin contains less than 1% alcohol. Darn. So I'm thinking it's a hair mask, but it's mushy. It's a mushy hair mask. Cool. And this is Jigget Pomegranate Real Ample Mask. I don't know where you put this. Oh, this is a face mask because it shows a face. So I will get to do that mask Monday because I'm just collecting masks. I'll do my hair mask and a face mask. So how fun is this? So far off to a good start. I do need some pampering after going through heck. And then I'm afraid, I'm very afraid. This looks like it could be a necklace. What do you think, guys? Is it a necklace? Hammered tassel necklace in white. Okay. I'm not going to take it out of the bag. This, I hate to say it, it's just so not my style. Can you see? It's got the hammer and it's got this. Comment down below if this is your style necklace. It is super long. I mean, it would come down, way down. I have no words. I don't know. But please comment down below if this is your style. I mean, you can't please everybody, but it would just be too long for me. so not my style. But if you love it, if you need it in your life, let me know. Then we got some napkins. Cheers. And then looks like we got a scarf. I'm not going to open it because I don't wear scarves. It is royal blue. If we had cooler weather here, I'm going to read the thing here just to make sure this is a scarf. There's a, let's see. Conditioner, face mask, pink champagne. Various colors. Royal blue soft knit. Oh, it's a poncho. That makes a difference. I thought it was a scarf. See? See, I was wrong. So it's a poncho. Oh, I see. Here's the sleeves. Oh, I'm liking this. What do you think of the poncho? Okay. Liking that. And then we have thank you for supporting small businesses, and it's a bath bomb. And then we have a cup. Oh, it's got things in there. Double wall, short tumbler. This must be a boozy cup. Hope it can go in the dishwasher, because if it doesn't go in the dishwasher, I don't want it. Of course, I can't open it. Now that's fun. Obviously this was for New Year's, but I can use this all the time. What do you think? Now that is fun. Liking that. And oh, caramel dream pralines. Okay, Sue and Vicky, back off the chocolate. So, what was this? Oh, there's something else. This is such a fun box. I think this box, you pay for it, but then you have to pay for shipping. So that it makes it a little more costly. But they put in such fun things. Let's see what we got here. I don't know if it's a plate or a cheese board. I think they sent us. I'm getting a lot of cheese boards. I want to send one to my daughter. You know, they live in Germany, and all they do is have cheese and meat and fruit, and they entertain that way. One of these days I'll be able to visit them. Crunch Savor Bite Munch. And it's got a little, isn't that cute? That is so cute. The napkins are, and this would be so cute in their place, but I can't send it to them. So make sure there's nothing else in here. This is a great box. I will leave their link below. And so what we got in this box, and I think it's like $45 with the shipping. I'll leave that below so you'll know. So we got the royal blue poncho, and you can wear it several ways. It was $28. The hammered fringe necklace, various colors, that was $24. The three-piece party plate by Mud Pie was $25. The pink champagne bubble bath bomb was $6. The relaxing vitamin infused face mask was $5. The deep conditioner by Hask was $4. A sweet treat was $3. Cheers wine glass by Slant Collection was $12. And holiday napkins were $3. So this box had a value of $110. So I think it was well worth it. And I can't remember if I canceled it. I think this box comes every 2 months. I don't think this is a monthly box. I think it comes every 2 months. And they do tell you, I think in advance, what's going to be coming up in your next box. So that is kind of nice, so you know what's coming up. So again, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I appreciate it, and I hope you're not getting hit by this terrible weather, and have an awesome day.